Williams Realty. And today we're here to talk about what do you do when during escrow or you're about ready to close in 10 days, disaster strikes and the weather causes some serious problems. And that's what we're going to talk about today. So if you can see right here, we had a really bad snowstorm over the last few days, and we already knew we had a roof problem, and that was already negotiated with the buyers. The roof's going to be replaced. And that'll be another video, is how do you sell a house with a bad roof and still get a good price. But this one here, so this wasn't this way before the storm. So what was it, Monday morning, my client came in and this was just showing signs of dripping. And by Tuesday morning, it all fell down. So the first thing to do is don't panic, because everything can be fixed as long as you deal with it up front, honest, and just think through it. You know, and if you're by yourself, think through it with somebody else, because if we get stuff caught in our brain, we can't think straight. So here's what we did. First of all, we said, okay, will the insurance cover it? And does it make sense to have the insurance cover it? In this case, it's not. It's $500 probably to fix it completely. It doesn't make sense to call the insurance. So the second thing was we got a bid, and we're going to send that over to the buyers. So it doesn't make sense to fix this before the roof gets fixed. So what will probably happen is we're going to go ahead and send it over to the buyers and most likely give them a credit of some sort back at closing so that they can fix it after the roof is done. Hope that was helpful today, and if you have any other questions about how to sell a house in this circumstance, reach out to me at 435-619-9415. Again, that's Jesse, 435-619-9415. Thanks a lot.